Blessings, everyone. Blessings, blessings, blessings. So today I'm going to make stew peas for dinner. And here we have our peas. Just going to put the peas to soak. So we're going to use a little chicken foot, a little turkey neck, and of course our pigtail. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the pigtail to soak overnight. So I'm just going to wash it off and soak it in some water. And I'm going to season up my turkey neck and chicken foot. So let's do that. So guys, I clean up my turkey neck, chicken foot, chop them in two, and so we are just going to wash and lightly season. Don't want to put too much seasoning on it, so I'm washing it with vinegar, and I wash it about 3 times already. So this is my final wash. So I had 4 pegs of garlic, and I just going to lightly season with some jerk seasoning, all-purpose, and black pepper. So guys, here we have our peas soaking, we have our pigtail, and we have our turkey neck and chicken foot slightly seasoned. So when we come back, it's time for cooking. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. So we're about to put our stew peas together. And here I have in the pressure cooker the peas with just a little water to cover. So we're going to put it on to boil now, and when it starts boiling, we'll add some more water because the peas are going to float to the top. So we're going to add a little more water just to sink those peas. And in another pot, I will have the pigtail boiling for about 10 minutes to boil out some of the excess salt. So let's do that. In our pot here we have the pigtail boiling for about 15 minutes. So we are going to strain this pigtail now and set aside. guys, our peas is boiling now. So to the pot we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic, a little pimento berries, and about 3 whole cloves. And if you notice, some of the peas is floating on the top, so we're just going to put a little more water to soak those peas that are floating. Not much. And then we are going to put the pressure for about 10 minutes. So after pressuring our peas for 15 minutes, we are going to put in our turkey neck. Put in our turkey neck. We're not going to put the chicken foot in as yet. We're going to put in only the turkey neck. And we are going to allow to pressure for another 15 minutes. While over here, we have a little flour, about 1.5 cups of flour. Put a little salt, and we are going to make a dough and set aside. In my container over there, I have about 1 cup of coconut, which I'm going to blend and come back. Guys, so here we had our chicken foot and our pigtail back to the pot, and we just put a little tip of water, and we're going to pressure again for another 15 minutes. Here we have about 2 cups of coconut milk, and we have our dough. So we're just going to cover this with plastic wrap until we are ready. So guys, we change over the pot now, and we are putting everything together. So this is how it looks. And to this now, I'm going to add my coconut milk. About 2 cups of coconut milk. And then we are going to put in our spinners. Put in your spinners, then we are going to put in our seasoning, our thyme, scallion. We have a few pieces of Scotch bonnet pepper, and we have a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. So we're going to put everything in and allow to stew down for another 15 to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, guys, I'm going to put a few more pimento berries in, and we're going to put some garlic, fresh garlic. So this is 3 cloves of garlic. little more all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper. You notice it's going down, it's throwing down. So we're just gonna leave this for about another 10 minutes. I'm going to turn down the stove on low and leave it to finish.